Let's learn the names of vegetables. This is carrot. A crunchy orange vegetable that is good for eyes. This is potato. A starchy vegetable that grows under the soil. This is tomato. A juicy red vegetable often used in cooking. This is cucumber. A cool water vegetable eaten fresh. This is onion. A strong smelling vegetable used for flavor. This is garlic. A small bulb vegetable with a strong taste. This is cabbage. A leafy vegetable with tight green layers. This is spinach. A green leafy vegetable that makes you strong. This is broccoli. A green vegetable that looks like a small tree. This is corn. A sweet vegetable with yellow kernels. This is eggplant. A purple vegetable also called brinjal. This is peas. Small green seeds that grow in pots. This is green beans. Long green vegetable that grow in pots. This is beetroot. A red vegetable that grows under the ground. This is pumpkin. A large round vegetable with hard skin. This is lettuce. A leafy vegetable used in salads. This is bottle gourd. A long light green vegetable used in curries. This is ridge gourd. A green vegetable with ridges on the skin. This is bitter gourd. A green vegetable with a bitter taste. This is sweet potato. A sweet root vegetable rich in energy.